Digital downloads may be the medium of choice, but vinyl has made a surprising comeback. A huge amount of music is available on vinyl, offering outstanding sound quality and a deeper connection to your music and the music listening experience. Hello, I'm Roger, one of the hosts here on the Audio Advisor YouTube channel. In today's episode, we will discuss the components of a turntable so that when you're ready to invest in your first turntable, you'll know what to look for. Stay with me till the end, where I will share 3 recommended items to elevate your music listening experience even further. Inside the turntable. A turntable consists of 6 components: the platter and bearing assembly, the motor and belt drive system, the tonearm and cartridge, the suspension, the base, and the plinth. Let's dig a little deeper using these 3 turntables: the Project Evo at $600, the Rega Planar 8 at $5,000, and the Project E1 at $400. Do note that these prices may vary. The base holds the components and has traditionally been constructed from wood or a wood composite. The plinth is the top plate that holds the platter bearing assembly. This is also typically made from wood. However, many modern turntables use high-tech composite materials for the base and the plinth. A manufacturer may even combine the base and plinth into a single component. Platter and bearing assembly. The platter bearing assembly consists of a platter mounted on a bearing shaft plus a high-precision bearing that permits the platter to spin freely. Platters are made from various materials, including MDF, medium density fiberboard, aluminum, ABS polymer, and glass. Suspension technology. The suspension uses spring or energy absorbing material to isolate the turntable from external vibrations. Motor speed control. The best sounding turntables are belt driven with an elastic belt between the motor pulley and the platter. Less expensive turntables generally rely on an AC synchronous motor. More expensive turntables feature heavy, highly regulated cog-free precision AC drive motors. For years, high-end turntables required the user to move the belt when changing speed from 33 revolutions per minute, RPM, to 45 RPMs. Another approach being seen with increased frequency is a highly precise electronic speed control that allows a change of speed at the touch of a button. The tonearm. Low-priced turntables come with standard aluminum tonearms and cartridges. The best turntables can be matched with many tonearms and cartridges, though increasingly high-end turntables come equipped with sophisticated tonearms already installed. Carbon fiber is a popular tonearm material thanks to its unique combination of rigidity and lightweight. If you want to elevate your turntable experience, here are 3 recommended items: the Project Clamp-It record clamp, the Ortophone 2M red cartridge, and the Project Acrylic record platter. I'll leave a link to those items down in the description of this video, and if you have any questions about purchasing your first ever turntable or configurations that best work for you, feel free to contact us. Our sales team members have over 67 plus years of combined experience in the industry and are here to help you make the right purchasing decision that will fit your needs. From everyone here at Audio Advisor, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.